Leave me alone!
Get out of me! Oh, the bird! Bird.
Is it okay?
Bird over it.
Is it okay, Bernie?
Don't do it.
It's not a game anymore.
He's about to kill you. Daniel, I'll kill you.
Oh shit.
Whoa, whoa! The bird is in
Go
flight.
scare everyone now! It's not fun.
It was fun to scream like that.
It's not funny.
What are you looking at? You looking at something pizza?
Oh shit, man!
Oh shit!
I was screaming like that on purpose, though.
Get a cage.
Hey, oh shit, bitch! Oh, run, nigga, run! He's gonna get.
That's a good landing. That was awesome. What did he do? He crash landed in his cage.
That was good.
He's back in his cage, Drew.
That was good. Hell yeah.
Fuck, I missed that.
That was funny. He crashed